I take the video.
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah.
Chickens.
Okay.
That one I could only get one zipper to work. It's still there, but I couldn't get it to roll.
Okay.
And then, surprisingly too, I still have
Some paper.
some of the original paperwork that came with it, along with like a cleaning brush. It's pretty cool to find.
Okay. Where did you get this one?
Where did I get this one? I don't even know. I've had him for years.
Couple of years.
Yeah, I've had them probably 10 or 15 years. They've been sitting. I have a bunch of antiques and collectibles and video game stuff.
Oh yeah.
Here's where it came from though. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
10th and Chestnut, Philadelphia.
Good.
Were those all yours in the video you sent me? The video you sent me?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. You have some really old ones.
Yeah. The old
Way
one,
back.
yeah. Historical one. Okay.
Yeah, supposedly that color is extremely rare. The mint green.
I have almost same one.
Really?
Yeah, but I don't know behind the Jeep. Let me see. Today I want to review the Olivetti Lettera 22 and then 32. I have 5 of them now. I have one more, but there is no space, so I just put 5 of, then 7 of them. Okay. Yeah. The first, what is the difference between the Lettera 22 and then Lettera 32? Basically, early version of the Lettera 22, the old keys is like a round, see, round key. It's round. But the Lettera is a square key. Okay, all the same square key. That's one of the main difference. And then the Lettera 22, there is a more colorful design, but I think the orange is something like pink. That's not from the Italy. That's from Mexico or Spain. But this 4 Lettera 22 all from the Italy. But this one 3 Lettera 32, that's all different. One of them is this one is from Italy, and then this one is from I guess Mexico. Let me see. Yeah, that's from Mexico. This one from the Spain. They are a little bit different. First, the brand name plate, they are different. All 3 different. Okay, and then look at this part. That's from Italy, made in Italy. This one is made in Mexico. This one is Spain. All different. Also, this one is a plastic. This one is a metal. This one is a metal. That's also different. and then the key color a little bit different for me anyway. And then another difference between Lettera 22 and then 32, the ribbon choice button, it's like a same this level, right? But the Lettera 22, it's different. It's a little bit in front. It's all same. All same. They are not the same. The deep inside, it's a little bit in front. That's the one of the different thing. And then later, this is the Lettera later version. They have a scale. See, the scale button. All three is round, but the late version is latest version is scale. That means I don't know. It's they say someone said from the Lettera 32 they changed this button scale, but already some Lettera 22 has scale keys, so maybe they got a long information. That's the difference. So this one is a very early version. Its serial number is 00576. That means 1950. It's manufactured. I think it's very. This one is very good for the touch. And then this one is serial number is 076523. This one is also very good. This one is serial number is where is the serial number? Here, 130547. I bought this one from the 83 gentleman. He said his uncle's typewriter. His uncle was a priest for the Catholic Church. So he told me this typewriter travel a lot for Mexico, Africa, all over the country. I mean the world. I like this one because it's a touch a little bit soft compared to these two. This two is like more light, but feel good. See, sound is different. This one is a little bit soft. And then this one is a Spain version. See, if you hit this one, it does not move the carriage. Same thing. This one hit this button, it does not move because it's a Spain version. But I found it's different. Same Spain version, but keys are different. See, keys are different. There are like underbar A, underbar O, but there is no. I mean, here the same key, the different way. Not here. This one is next to the number 2 key, but this one is end of this. Okay, so same version, but same Spain version, but different layout, key layout. Also, this one is very unique because it's scale Lettera 22. Let's look at this one more detail. This is oldest version. I already told you. The serial number is 576. It's very hard to look at. Yeah. As you know, this is a lock for the carriage. this button is locked for the carriaging, and then there is a paper supporter. You can hold like this, and then like this, and then this is a margin setup for the, and then this is for release. Yeah. Then this is for the line space. Then this one is paper, and then up, and then the next line space. Then this one, the variable line space for variable line space. Okay, and then I found this early version key is a little bit shiny compared to the other Lettera 22. Only this one is a more shiny. Not just cleaning stuff. It's a material is a more little different, shiny. Okay. Then you should know, right? You know that ribbon color change, and then it's a shift key lock for the shift key lock. Okay, and then look at the inside. Be careful. Sometimes this part is easily broken. This part, end of the here, put go there. It's easily broken. So when you open this cover, be careful. Okay. And the original spool, this one. Spool. For the ribbon direction change, you need like this or this. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Right now, right direction, and then we'll change it. Okay. Then left direction. Okay. Okay. This one is very well maintained cosmetically, and then the also touch is very good. Very soft, and feeling good. Yeah. But this sound is a little bit weird. And then let's see the sound, the bell sound. Yeah, very small. It's a very early version. It's like 1950. I think it's first version. The color is very good. It's a very late version, but a lot of scratchy, and then not well maintained. But the typing feeling a little bit much better. This one is a little bit much better. Also, it's, I told you already, it's very rare because it's scarce, right? Yeah. All right. Next time I look at this one more detail. Today, focus is this one. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching.